Have you ever considered that the key to your overall health might be residing in your gut? It might seem a bit odd, but it's true. Your gut is home to trillions of microbes, an unseen universe within you. This bustling metropolis of microscopic life is so vast and diverse that it rivals the richness of life found in a tropical rainforest. These microbes, collectively known as the gut microbiota, are not merely passive occupants. They have jobs, roles, and responsibilities. They work tirelessly, helping to break down the food you eat and extract the nutrients your body needs to function optimally. But their role doesn't end there. They're also deeply intertwined with your immune system, helping to keep you healthy by warding off harmful pathogens. The inhabitants of this unseen universe also have a profound influence on your overall health. An imbalance in this microbial ecosystem, a condition known as dysbiosis, can lead to various intestinal and extraintestinal illnesses. But when in balance, these microbes contribute to your well-being in ways you may not have imagined. Intriguingly, your gut health and mental health are interconnected. The gut has been dubbed the second brain because of its influence on your mood and mental state. The gut microbiota can produce neurotransmitters, chemicals that carry signals from your gut to your brain. So if you've ever had a gut feeling about something, now you know why. What we eat, how we sleep, our stress levels, and even how we were delivered at birth all play a role in shaping this complex ecosystem within us. This unseen universe is not static. It changes and evolves throughout our lives. Indeed, the gut is not just a food processing unit, it's a complex ecosystem that plays a significant part in your well-being. Imagine your gut as a bustling metropolis where maintaining balance is key. Each street, building, and citizen represents a different microorganism living in harmony with each other. But what happens when this harmony is disrupted? When the balance of power is shifted? Enter dysbiosis, a term that signifies an imbalance or disruption in this gut ecosystem. Just like any city, when the natural order is disrupted, chaos ensues. In the case of your gut, this chaos manifests as various intestinal and extraintestinal illnesses. From irritable bowel syndrome to certain types of cancer, the ripple effects of dysbiosis can be far-reaching and devastating. Picture a scale perfectly balanced. On one side we have beneficial microbes, the good guys, who help with everything from digestion to immunity. On the other side we have potentially harmful microbes, the bad guys who, in the right proportions, are kept in check by the good guys. But when the scale tips in favor of the bad guys, that's when we encounter dysbiosis. Now you might be thinking, why does this happen? What causes the balance to shift? The answer is multifaceted. Factors such as diet, lifestyle, stress, and even the way you were delivered at birth can influence the balance of your gut microbiota. It's also important to note that the composition of our gut microbiota isn't static. It evolves with us, from infancy to adulthood. For instance, there are differences between the microbiota of young adults and the elderly. There are also different enterotypes or variations in the levels of certain genera in the gut microbiota. It's like having different neighborhoods within the same city, each with its unique characteristics. And just like a city planner, we need to work on maintaining the balance in our gut city. We need to ensure that the good guys always outnumber the bad guys and that all microbes live in harmony, contributing to our overall health. Hence, the balance of power within this microbial city is crucial for your health. What could possibly disrupt this well-balanced metropolis within us, you may ask? The answer lies closer than you might think. Just as a city thrives on balance and order, so does our gut. Yet, many factors can throw this microcosmic metropolis into chaos. One of the leading culprits is a poor diet. Consuming processed foods and sugars, lacking in fiber and nutrients, can drastically alter the composition of our gut microbiota. This dietary derailment can lead to dysbiosis, an imbalance in our gut's microbial ecosystem. Beyond diet, stress plays a pivotal role in disrupting our gut health. In our fast-paced lives, chronic stress has become almost a norm. This constant state of tension can have a detrimental impact on our gut microbiota, leading to an unsettling disruption in its balance. Sleep, or more precisely, the lack of it, is another factor that can send shockwaves through our gut community. Insufficient or irregular sleep messes with our body's circadian rhythm, which in turn can cause an imbalance in our gut microflora. Lastly, antibiotics, though often life-saving, can cause collateral damage to our gut biome. These drugs, while annihilating harmful bacteria, also wipe out beneficial microbes, causing a significant disruption in the gut's delicate equilibrium. The choices we make, the food we eat, the stress we endure, the sleep we miss, and even the medicines we take all have a profound impact on our gut health. It's a delicate balance, one that's easily upset by our modern lifestyle, but just as our actions can disrupt this balance, they can also help restore it. So as we journey through this unseen universe within us, let's remember the power we hold. The power to build, to disrupt, and to repair. The power to influence our health right from within our gut. Our actions, knowingly or unknowingly, can cause a seismic shift in our gut's delicate balance. Let that sink in as we delve deeper into the world of gut health in our next segment, Building the Defenses. How can we fortify this microbial city and its defenses? Imagine the gut as a bustling city. Its inhabitants, the gut microbiota, need to be nurtured and cared for to maintain a healthy balance. Just as cities utilize various strategies to ensure their security and prosperity, we can employ several therapeutic strategies to restore and maintain the health of our gut microbiota. First off, envision probiotics as reinforcements sent to strengthen the city's defenses. These are live beneficial bacteria that, when consumed in adequate amounts, can help balance our gut microbiota. They're like the new citizens who actively contribute to the city's well-being. Then we have prebiotics, the nourishment for our microbial inhabitants. They're specific types of plant fibers that beneficial gut bacteria thrive on. You could think of them as the city's food supply, providing the energy needed for our gut microbiota to grow and flourish. Integrating both probiotics and prebiotics, we get synbiotics. These are combinations that work in harmony, where probiotics benefit from the presence of prebiotics, much like a city that flourishes with a well-balanced population and a steady supply of resources. A healthy diet and regular exercise also play crucial roles in maintaining a balanced gut microbiota. Consuming a diverse range of foods, particularly fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, supports a wider variety of gut bacteria, akin to promoting a diverse and vibrant culture within our city. Regular physical activity, on the other hand, can enhance the diversity of our gut microbiota, much like a city that thrives with active, engaged citizens. It's also worth noting that certain lifestyle factors such as stress, sleep, and drug use can impact our gut microbiota, just as they would influence any city's well-being. Hence, managing these factors effectively is as vital as implementing the strategies mentioned earlier. Building strong defenses for our gut metropolis is within our control, and it starts with making healthier choices. Just like the success of a city depends on the collective efforts of its inhabitants, the health of our gut relies on our actions. So let's strive to make choices that promote a balanced, thriving gut microbiota. What does the future hold for our understanding of gut health? As we continue to delve into the complex world of gut microbiota, innovative therapies are emerging that could revolutionize how we restore and maintain the balance in our intestinal ecosystem. One of these exciting frontiers is phage therapy. These are viruses that infect bacteria and can be used to target specific harmful bacteria in the gut, leaving the beneficial ones untouched. Imagine a surgical strike within your gut, eliminating the bad guys while the good guys thrive. Then there's fecal transplantation, a procedure that may sound off-putting at first but holds great potential. With this method, fecal matter from a healthy donor is transferred into the gut of a patient with a disrupted microbiota. The aim is to reintroduce healthy bacteria and restore balance. It's like replanting a forest that has been ravaged by fire, allowing new growth to flourish. And let's not forget bacterial consortium transplantation. This is where a carefully selected group of beneficial bacteria are transplanted into the gut. Think of it as adding a team of superheroes to your gut, each with their own special powers to fight off harmful bacteria and maintain a healthy microbiota. But what's truly exciting about these therapies is that they go beyond just treating symptoms. They aim to restore the natural balance of our gut microbiota, potentially preventing a myriad of intestinal and extra-intestinal illnesses. This is not about a one-size-fits-all approach, but personalized treatments tailored to the unique composition of each individual's gut microbiota. As we move forward, the importance of maintaining a balanced gut microbiota for overall health will likely become even more evident. Factors like our delivery mode at birth, our diet, and even our lifestyle choices can all impact this delicate balance. The future of gut health promises a new understanding of our inner universe and how we can harness it for better health. So, what does all this mean for you and your health? It's a question that's likely been circling in your mind as we've journeyed through the unseen universe that dwells within us. Let's bring it all together and paint a clear picture of why this matters. Our inner universe, the gut microbiota, plays a vital role in our overall health. It's a complex and dynamic ecosystem, teeming with trillions of microorganisms that work in harmony to support our well-being. But it's a delicate balance that can be easily disrupted, leading to dysbiosis, an imbalance that's been linked to various intestinal and extra-intestinal illnesses. But it's not all doom and gloom. The good news is, we're not helpless bystanders in this process. Our lifestyle choices, from the food we eat to the physical activities we engage in, can significantly influence the composition and balance of our gut microbiota. Think of it like tending to a garden. To keep it flourishing, we need to provide the right nutrients, ensure enough sunlight, and protect it from pests. Similarly, our gut microbiota needs a balanced diet, regular exercise, and protection from harmful substances to thrive. We've also explored various therapeutic strategies for restoring gut balance. Probiotics, prebiotics, synbiotics, phage therapy, and even fecal transplantation. These are promising avenues of research, but they're not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Let's not forget the composition of our gut microbiota remains stable throughout adult life. This stability is crucial as it allows the gut to function optimally, supporting digestion, immunity, and even our mental health. We are at the dawn of a new era in health science, where the focus is shifting from treating symptoms to creating health. And central to this shift is our understanding of the gut microbiota. The gut is not just an organ, it's a universe within us, a universe that we're only beginning to understand. But one thing is clear, our gut health matters. Remember, the key to your overall health might very well reside in your gut. So take good care of your inner universe.